Alright, you guys, I made it inside HomeGoods. Oh my gosh, they have so much Valentine decor. Loved it. Like, look at this one. Are these erasers? Or are they foam? Let me see if I could pick it up. Oh, you're gonna have to grab that. They're wooden. They're little wooden hearts. How freaking cute. How cute is that? Can we find out how much that is?
20.
20? This is 20? Sorry. Trying to get that guy's face. See, if I knew how to put like graphics on screen, his face could turn to a panda bear or something. They also have it in red. It says soulmate, my hero, I love you, cutie pie. Okay. Oh, there's two types of Melba. My hands have lotion. I'm gonna have to pick that up. I try to moisturize, okay? Love letters. Look how cute. 15. Oh, sorry. Forgot. And yeah, these are really cute. You know what? I wish they spin. That's what kind of makes me miss Big Lots a little bit, because Big Lots has something really similar. If they were spinning, you can make something else. 17. We have the log, which we did see in the previous video. The cake is around with the bow. Two different types of cake to choose from. $15 by Cupcake and Cashmere. And this lady, she is brought back. They did have something very similar.
Looks like a guy.
But I'd kiss. You know what? Well, I don't know. 20. Some girls wear hair like this. I don't know. 20.
I think it's supposed to be a guy with lipstick on his cheek.
Now the swan, Be My Valentine. That big bow is 100. Just past it. Okay, it is here. And let me go down here at the bottom. Oh my gosh. Look at this pig. Oh gosh. He's a heavy pig. He's 17. This one is by Martha. Martha made a pig. And they have a love heart. And this is only $10. It is weighted. It's a weighted one. 17 for the marble. You make my heart fly. You know, he has little wings on it. How adorable, but how different. This is kind of cute. I feel like this little cherry thing. 10. Says love on it on the other side. My hands are still purple. Let's see. Donut, cat, Snoopy. I love you, meowie much. A lot of cats. Oh my gosh. Look at all these dogs. All these animals. So stinking cute. Like even down here. I've never seen so many animals for Love Day. Love cat. Is this the Love Shack 15? Love Shack. Happy Valentine's Day. Donut, the macaroons. They also have a nutcracker. Winnie the Pooh. We do see, I think this one was in, a different location. $39.99. 40. And there's another cute little cat lady. Oh, you know what? I could probably bring her out. Oh gosh. Let me bring her out. It's quite a bit today. That's really cute. The swans. Let's see. Happy Valentine's Day. Of course, redone. These are 10. Tons of garland. Says love on it. And 10. More hearts. Okay, these are so different. $12.99. The cake. Hearts Rose Cottage. These are 10. They have it in red and white. A gingerbread one for $29.99. Love bunnies. And that's funny, right? 25 by Blue Sky. Yeah, most of the animals and doggies and cats are at Blue Sky. Look at this candle holder in the, oh gosh, I forgot about that guy. I'm like tilting him over. That's cute. The bear's back. They have a Highland cow. I can't really pull it out. It's gonna tilt, but she has hard eyes And I want to say that says love. Yeah, love. The bear 15. He's adorable. Mugs. More garland. This is 15. By Bella Lux. Haven't seen this one. 15. You have the avocado too. Doggy and chocolate. Who doesn't want a doggy and chocolate? Oh gosh. They have a hippo. I never seen so much Valentine decor. $12.99. I'm just used to like these love ones they normally have. But there's like so much. Different types of cakes. Let me move this guy around. Kissing booth. It's like a little Martha Stewart decor. How funny is that? More cakes. Ceramic. Love shacks. They have the trees. These are roses. Oh my gosh. Yes, Valentine's Day, lady. Valentine's Day. $12.99. $12.99. These are roses. It is full of glitter. But look right here. Oh man, they stack so much. They have the boot. This is like a photo. I think you put a photo in here. Hold on. You know what? I'm not gonna be able to pull those out. They're all stuck. But in the back, is that like a coffee and cupcake or something? I can't pull those out, but I'm not even gonna try. Those are cute. More swan, more cherries. Down here says love. So it kind of matches like the kissing one. These are 15. The croissant guy, I think is really cute. I feel like I need to get that. Oh gosh, nutcrackers, more doggies. Chocolate, of course. We have the love pasta. A 5. And then gummies. Bag of kisses, huh? Love. And then there's a candy one. I like this one. Just Howdy Partner. But the Mickey one has candy. Then they put these so close to the edge. My love. And then you get the little spoon with that. It's kind of cool. Oh, look down here. $5. $15. They have a little Eiffel Tower too, by Cupcake and Cashmere, and more of this right here. They're so cute. All right, over here, champagne refill. $12.99. These little critters. There's still a few Christmas items left, but that whole area was Valentine's Day. Look at this guy. I don't know if I've seen his tray. How cute. 17. He's adorable. I know we've seen this one before. $40. Okay, these are the little bows on them. Oh, look at this pretty blue one. Right, and they also have a purple one. $10. Valentine's Day love ones. These are 15. We just see these in Marshall's. They do have them in Marshall's, in case you're wondering. Cherry, is this cherry Coke? I was just yapping about cherry Coke, but it's not. But it could be a DIY cherry Coke. It comes with stickers. Look how different. We haven't seen these. You know, I'm a big sucker for glassware. 5. Oh. Plenty of candles. Tons of candles. The tree candles. I did finally find the candle I was looking for in a different Marshall's location. So I found one that wasn't broken or anything. And I was like, okay, perfect gift candle. Look at, they even have like these Rudolph ones. Oh wow, that's a really large one, like this tree one. But look, Rudolph is broken, but they got everybody else. Cinnamon stick. Isn't that a really cool candle? Too bad a figure is broken, but I feel like if you like finish taking that part off and just paint that white or something, fill it in, no one probably would notice, you know what I mean? But that is a really cool candle. I've never seen that here. You found it. I was just talking about that. Oh, look, Rudolph is missing.
Somebody broke them off.
Yeah, I was saying if you just paint that, nobody would know, right? Isn't that cool? That is cool. Pink berry sherbet, strawberry kiss. Oh, these are really cute candles, right? They have matches in the back, cupcakes, chocolate, strawberry crush. Look at all these cute stuff. Oh, that's really pretty. Vanilla almond, strawberry shortcake. So stinking cute. Sand and fog, which I normally gravitate to. These are 15. Oh gosh, smells so fresh. This smells like just a fresh candle. I love it. Let me see this one, orange vanilla. I mean, it's alright. Don't really get much scent off that one. And then California Beach House. I mean, it kind of smells like you are near a little ocean, like that scent. But this one smells really, really good. Plenty of blankets, a lot of Snoopy in here. Look at this one at 25. So I'm just like, so I've seen, I mean, of course we've seen Valentine's Day, but I feel like this year they have quite a bit, and a lot of it might be overstocked, but a lot of it I have never seen. Like, look right here. I believe in Marshall's they had a pink one. I was sharing it in that video yesterday or this morning. Look at, isn't that cute? $29.99. A lot of heart by Rachel though. Knitted one. Dogs, love bug, you know. Alright, home decor. They have plenty of these tins on the suitcase. No price on it. Really interesting right here. Made in Thailand. Okay, you know Lunar New Year. So there's new decor here with the cat. Let's see this one at $12.99. And I am, what am I, a boar? No. I'm the pig. Okay, look at all this cool stuff. I mean, this one we haven't seen. 10. Let me turn it around for you. What year are you guys? Let me know. What's our daughter?
I don't know.
Yeah, she's a rat.
Yeah, I believe it.
You're a rat. Which is really funny because like my husband puts like people's in his phone for his contacts. He puts like a picture, like an icon, and I think for her you put a skunk monkey.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay. That's like kind of funny, you know. So he has like all these different pictures for different people. And let's see, espresso martini. It's so cute. I know we've seen this one, but it's still here. They also had it in gold. 100. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. 100 for that. I would buy that. But an extra 100 I didn't have to use on something, I would buy that. I can't wait till I get to that point in life. I'm pretty sure you feel like that. You know, when your kids are like, they don't need you anymore. Oh, I have an extra $50 in my purse. Okay. Okay. Look at this right here. Oh my gosh, so many options to choose from. It's kind of cool. He's just like really cute. Yeah, a lot of glassware because, you know, New Year's. Let's see. Bottle opener. We go down here. Lots of the gold. Okay, so they have the heart, like coffee. That's by Martha. We've been finding these. I don't know how much that is, but I know in a different video it was like 60. This might be about that. Same price or maybe a little more. Look, they have Lady and the Tramp down there on the apron. Let me pan in. For like all this pasta stuff right here. So we have like sauce. Oh, I need an actual cutting board though. Okay, wow. And then like this whole thing is full of Dubai stuff. They even have chocolate. I mean like strawberry Dubai and pistachios. And I only had one little chocolate Dubai thing in my life. I didn't buy any of the hype stuff. But I know it's really huge on social media. Okay, let me look back here. $5 on an espresso machine. So if you know somebody who has that, stockings for them. Are they worth it, you guys? An espresso machine? I don't have that, but they have the coffee beans too. I love that. I just love the vintage vibe so much. These are $5 down here. Pumpkin spice. And they're bringing out all the spring stuff. Let me just scan through them. Look at that one. It's really cute. And the back wall. Oh, the Fat Bunny guy's back. I remember him from previous years. He's a hefty man. Alright, you guys, I believe this might do it. Like everything else is going to be nothing but candy and food, coffee, chocolate, popcorn, wrapping paper is all in the middle. So they're trying to like get away with like all like the food. Like we had the cakes in here. Chocolate. Look at this right here. $1,000 on the bar. A lot of games, a wrapping paper. And thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Actually, let me see what's in here. Ooh. A lot of cool books in here. I have a Rome one too. All in the mix. A cottage for every season. That's not open, but oh, I want to get into that. Vogue. And what is in here? Oh, these are $100. Okay.